Hey, what's up? I am Shazad. You're watching the shopping channel. Today I am talking about Samsung Galaxy S9. This is titanium grey color. We'll discuss about its features and we'll unbox it. Its price all over the world is $800 US. In fact, its price is 82,000 rupees. So let's take its review. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. This is Samsung Galaxy S9. It was launched and available all over the world in March 2018. It's a titanium grey color. Front and back full gloss. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Aluminium frame. Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 million colors. 5.8 inches display, 1440 by 2960 pixels, 570 ppi density, multi-touch. Samsung Pay Visa Mastercard certified, IP68 certified, dust and waterproof. 8.5 mm thickness. Android 8.0 Oreo. Snapdragon 845 chipset. Octa-core 2.7 GHz processor. 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Available in two variants, single SIM and dual SIM. It's a hybrid dual SIM. At the second SIM slot, 400GB memory supports. (12 megapixel rear camera, dual pixels. Geotagging simultaneous 4K video, touch focus, smile detection, 8MP front camera, iris scanner, fingerprint rear mounted, accelerometer, gyro proximity compass, barometer, heart rate, SpO2, 3000 mAh long battery. Its accessories are data cable, AKG hand-free, adapter, quick charge 2.0, fast battery charging. Silicone cover,